think that's better. And let me put this a little lower. I hope that's better. Guys, welcome back to day 31 of Trading with Archie. My name is Archie, and today, guys, today you're trading with me. Today, no surprise, we're gonna be trading gold like most of the time. And guys, why we're trading gold? I think gold is just gonna have. Well, it already had the comeback of the year, but I think it's just gonna go harder from here. I'm not sure if we're gonna reach the, I don't know, like 5,000 yard line like really soon. So guys, we already missed this move. This is the move that I was hoping to catch. Let's see if it has a little retracement and we can re-enter it. But dude, like, I'm really fucking sad that we missed it. I knew it was gonna happen. I think we're gonna have this comeback this week. Probably this week is the one that we reach the 5,000. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this week is gonna be amazing. But enough of me. How you people doing today? Welcome to the stream. Guys, I was here a little late. I'm trying new stuff, but man, my YouTube is not working yet, so we're gonna need to wait a little longer. I wanted to do some improvements for you guys, but apparently not yet, guys. Oh, I have my hat so messed up here. Dude, better. What is wrong with you? I mean, am I even live? Like, can people see me right now? I don't even think I am live. See, okay, but how can I fix this? How can I even fix it? I mean, am I even live or I'm just talking to myself again? I think it's working. I just don't know why it's saying that it's not. Saying that it's not working, but I think it is. Okay, whatever, guys. Welcome to today's live. I'm excited to be here. Dude, like Friday was a pain in the butthole, guys. I don't know what even happened. Well, I do know what happened there, and I want to talk about it later, but it's just, it is what it is, guys. Sometimes you just not having it, you know what I mean? So we're gonna start some new rules. Actually, let me work on that right now. Gonna make we're gonna make a text. The first rule is no abort, no over trading, period. This means no more than 5 trades a day. Dos. After 2 losses in a row, call it a day. Rule number 3. No revenge trading. How do you spell that word? Revenge. Revenge. Number 4 is risk management. It's better to lose a trade, to miss a trade than to lose money. So here we go, okay? Wait. Let's see. Let's see. Me alive, alive. I'm gonna make them smaller, but it's just for us to remember that we have rules now, guys. We have rules now. We cannot make mistakes. Well, we're gonna make mistakes. It's part of the business, but not like last week, guys. Not like Friday, dude. Like Friday was a complete fluke. It was my fault 100%. I made all the bad calls. I made all the bad trades. I revenge trade. I didn't know when to quit. Like, it was all bad, guys. All bad. And I felt like most of the problem with trading and with gamblers is not that you cannot make money. It's then we don't know when to quit. And sometimes when we're losing money, we're just like, no, next trade I'm going to make it back. Yeah, probably you're going to make it back. That's true. Probably you are going to. But probably you're going to lose it all too, you know? It's better just to take a step back and say like, okay, you know what? I'm done for the day, than to lose all of the money, guys. Like, just think about it for a second. So, I don't know, it's really hard for you to keep yourself accountable, and I think that's the main problem with most traders is that we don't know when to say enough is enough, you know? But, dude, like last Friday, I was in the right way, you know? We were doing things right. We started making some money, and then I made 2 bad trades, and just because of revenge, I want my money back right now. So that made us lose all the money. I'm not sure, dude. I'm not sure. So I think we should be better at it. The only thing that is keeping us from being profitable for real is over trading and making these weird things that we're doing, you know. Okay, this might be nothing, but it might be a new resistance support area based on previous So we touch it here once, twice, 3 times. So when we touch it from the top, we bounce back up. When we touch it from the bottom, we bounce back down. That's great news. Okay, let's see where these falls stop, and then we are gonna enter our long of the day. Our first position of the morning. I missed it on the way up, but it's cool. We're not gonna miss it again. So yeah, guys, Friday was just a fluke. It's part of the deal, part of the game. Losing money is part of the game, but it's not anybody's favorite part of the game. That's for real. But also, it is what it is. Sometimes we need to lose money, you know what I mean? I think I learned a lot about it, to be completely honest. Okay, let's see. In the 1 minute, it already slowed down. It didn't break down with power, and it's cutting the reversal. Let's see where it wants to go. I think the reversal is coming. We already dipped this blue line, this green line. It's been a resistance a couple of times. Okay guys, here goes the first trade of the day. We're gonna enter this trade right now. We're gonna put a stop loss just right underneath the last touch that we had. We're gonna put our take profit on the previous highs from last week. And it's already not going our way, guys. But it's fine, it's part of the reversal that it has. I hope so. Nope. Fuck, I think I put my stop loss way too tight. Whatever. Dude, I'm 90% sure that that's gonna be the reversal. We just probably need to give it a little more wiggle room. And more time though. You know, we're not gonna enter because if we lose this, then that's done for the day. And the live only lasted like 3 minutes. So that might be it too. We don't know. We don't know. We don't know for real what's gonna happen, so let's just wait. Okay, we're gonna give it a little more wiggle room this time. And whatever happens, happens, guys. If it's the trade of the day and we're out, then we're out, and we're gonna go learn another skill. Dude, like, what's going on? Should have waited and bought down there, not up here, but whatever, it's good. We're still at the bottom of the movement, technically. And we're back to the basics. We're just gonna start trying to make a little money. Like, we don't need to go to the 100 right now. I want to have some profitable days again. $20, $30 would be awesome. Then we focus on the 50, then we focus on the 100, then we focus on the rest. But right now we just need to start making money. We need to start making money again. And I think that's another thing that really messed it up, is that we were making money, we were being profitable with one strategy, and all of a sudden I decided to change it just to try something else. $2. So if we close right now, we will be back up where we started the morning, which is good news. Keep pushing. We're probably gonna have a little startle here, so I'm gonna probably leave like $7 profit. We're gonna lock 5, 6. So we made back the mad trade that we made earlier. Plus a little tip. Keep pushing. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Hi and welcome. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate you guys taking the time of saying hi. So we said that it was gonna have a little reversal here, a little resistance. It's normal. We've seen that it's been a resistance area so far, an indecisive area. So if we don't break engulfingly, I'm just gonna start like pushing my TP, my stop loss. I really don't want to risk a lot. I would rather re-enter the trade later on. Okay, $7. Just keep going, dude. Please do keep going. $10. $10. Okay, yep, that's fine. $12 is not a bad trade, dude, to be honest. To be honest, it's not a bad trade to be the second trade of the day. So, good morning, Alice. Welcome to the stream. Good morning. So, we have some new rules for the stream, and we already made $15. So, we started $12. Sorry, we started with the right foot. We're gonna wait for a new entry signal. And remember, guys, if we miss this trade, then that's it for the day. There's only one there's only one way that we can make more than 5 trades throughout the day, and that is if all the trades that we made were profitable. So if the 5 trades that we took, they're profitable, then we can keep taking trades till one is not profitable. But right now, since we made already the first position that we took, it was negative. If we have a second fluke, we're just gonna be out. But right now, we're just gonna wait. I'm thinking it might have another reversal, another probably touch to this line. Maybe just to here. Or you could keep going from there. I don't know. But again, I'm happy with those $12 so far. So I think that's it. What are the new rules? They're on the screen on the right top corner. But we cannot take more than 5 positions or trades throughout the day. We cannot. If I have two stop losses in a row or two losing trades, we're definitely gonna be out of the trading for the day. There's not gonna be any revenge trade. Like right now, it's like, oh, I could have done more. Oh, give me my money back. Nope, all of that is gone. If you guys see me doing something like that, please remind me and don't let me do it. Always manage your risk. We cannot afford to lose more than $20 a day, guys. Like, we're hoping to make that a day. We cannot afford to lose more than that. And missing a trade is better than losing money. So again, like for example, right now, if right now this trade kept going on the upwards trend, I would rather miss the trade and see when the reversal is happening and re-enter, than just for me to enter this trade just because, because most of the time when I rush it, sometimes I get it right, but it's way too much a flip of a coin. So the only way that we can be profitable if we respect the rules that we are setting ourselves. So those are the new rules. Oh, and I'm missing one. There's one last rule, guys, that I missed put in, and I'm gonna add in this second. Not trading if I'm not live. I cannot trade. I cannot make any positions if I'm not live because it's not fair for the challenge or for you guys. So all the moves that we're gonna make, you're gonna see them live. All the things that we're gonna be doing, you're gonna see them live. No excuses, no little nothing. It's, I don't know, for some reason I really think that we're gonna have a reversal. I'm not convinced enough to put money on it, and we're not gonna do that, but we're gonna wait for the reversal and then re-enter. Dude, did we miss our boat and it's gonna go to the infinity and beyond and we just missed it? So that's just how it is, guys. That's just how it is. What do you think about the new rules, guys? Do you like them? What do you think, Alice? So the whole idea is not to have another Friday, another Black Friday than the one that we just had this weekend. The whole idea is for us to be able to make money. Dude, we want to pay rent. We want to buy a Cybertruck. We want to make the wife retire. We want to do a lot of stuff. So stop losing money, man. It's not that complicated. You know what I mean? You're your only enemy. So that's the thing, guys. That's the real deal. We just need to be better at it. It's not that complicated, to be honest. Just don't fail yourself. You promise yourself something, go do it. Don't overtrade. Don't trade more than you should be trading. And what in the sky. I promise you this. What I want to do, dude? What is the thing that you're doing right now? Why are you going so crazy? We wait patiently, so don't worry, guys. One of the cool things about the market is that there's always gonna be an opportunity. Always, 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 always. On Friday, I didn't even imagine that it was gonna be like back up again, and look at where we are again. The other day when we were up here, I thought that I missed my train and we were never gonna go back to this place, and look at us. So the market is always gonna keep giving. I think honestly that gold is gonna keep just going higher and higher. The more indecisions that are out there in the world, the more that the gold is just gonna keep growing and appreciating. So I think the best way to for us to like a safe way for you to make your money grow is to invest in gold or learn how to invest in gold, you know? And as safe as something can be, you know? Not for no reason people call it the safe haven. Did I did something wrong? Dude. We missed the move again. A huge chunk. That's a $20 move. No, $30 move. Yep. So we cashed half of what we could have cashed from this. That's fine. We're not gonna enter just because, guys. So where are you gonna stop? Where is the next? Wow, that was. What do you think, guys? Where do you think it's gonna go? We're gonna have the reversal that we're waiting for again, or is it just gonna keep climbing? Come on, dude. Oh, and good luck with your body in the Mercedes. Come on, please be the reversal that we're waiting for. So we can re-enter the trade. That would be nice. So how's your day going, guys? How's your morning, your week starting? Dude, like, what are you doing? Are you gonna keep going up? Are you gonna have the reversal? What is it gonna happen right now? What are you gonna do right now? What's it gonna happen? Are you going down or are you gonna keep climbing, dude? What's it gonna happen right now? I don't know. It's just going loco. We're just really gonna wait, guys. Doesn't make sense right now to enter anything. Please have the reversal that we want. Kind golds there. Okay, finally what we want to see. Finally. Finalmente, guys. It's moving our way. We want to be able to re-enter this trade, but with a better position. That was all? That was all the blueness that you're gonna create? Nickel redness? What is he doing, dude? Like, it's just going all over the place. Okay, guys, it's better to miss a trade than just to jump in just cause FOMO. So we will see where this wants to take us. I don't get it. I don't get it, guys. But we're patient. We're not gonna make the same mistakes that we made last week. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to be patient. Eventually we're gonna have our entry and we're gonna attack. Still indecision. Still the indecision. What do you think is gonna? What do you guys think is gonna happen? Do you think, it's, guys, we're gonna definitely like have a? It's gonna go down and we're gonna be able to re-enter. Let's see. So no more days like Friday, guys. That would be amazing if we could avoid that. It would just be nice. Because we're letting a lot of money on the table just by not being careful, man. Just by being like reckless. Okay, this is good news. If we break this structure, we might really go down here, probably even lower. If we make a double top in the 5 minutes, we can definitely collapse. If the 1 hour doesn't like gets back up, forget it, guys. Nice. So it's a little resistance where we talked about earlier. That might be the reversal point. That might have been our entry, but we're gonna wait. Yep. Yep. Okay, we're gonna commit to this trade. We're gonna put the stop loss here, $5. We might regret this, but it's part of trading. Keep pushing, dude. Okay, we're gonna start. You know the game. Taking the profit as soon as we can. I'm not letting anything on the table this time. Yeah, keep pushing, bro. Let's go. Hi Jasmine, how are you doing today? Welcome to the stream. How's your morning going? How's your day going? It's night for you already, right? We have 5, so that's... think if we can get 6, yeah, we're out now. That's fine. Good, so $17 today. What do you miss? I don't know if you saw Friday's video, but that's what you missed. Friday's was crazy, man. So far, we missed this whole move in the morning, but we've been able to profit a little from the rebound. So I wanted to... It would have been nice if we could enter this trade, but it was way too early for us. So I missed it. But we were able to profit some right now from this move. $12, and right now from this little move again, another $5. So which is good. We are up $17 for the day. Well, not 17. We're actually $12 because the first trade was a losing trade, so that one counts too. But we started the day with $40. We're at $51.35, so that's good news. We also have new trading rules. They're up there in your screen. I don't know if you can see them, but plan is not to overtrade anymore. I realized that the only person that the only thing that it's getting in between what we want and what I have right now, it's my way of trading. So I'm gonna be better with it. I'm gonna be way better at it. And we have goals for the day. We're not gonna overtrade. We're gonna have set a goal for the day. How much money would you like to make in a day? So my new aiming right now, just till we get back to the $100, it's gonna be doing 20 days, $20 a day, $15 a day. So if we don't see another nice setup, we're probably gonna be done for trading. We are three trades in out of the 5 trades that we are allowed to take today. So new rules, new us, but let's get what we want. It's not gonna be easy, but man, Diwali, and what is it about? That's so cool. So it's like a holiday that you had the day off. So you're kind of busy almost whole day? Yes, you do. Nice. So you're with the family, just enjoying. That's so nice that you're having a nice day, a chill day. You haven't traded today then? Yeah, so the thing about Friday, guys, is like I always told you, I don't mind about losing the money because I know that's part of the game. Some days you win, some days you lose. There's nothing wrong with it. Like you can do everything perfect, everything might look exactly like you should, like you wanted it, and still have a really negative outcome. You know, it has nothing to do with us being a bad trader. It just has nothing to do with us like. It's just the decisions that we make afterwards what makes us a profitable trader or not a profitable trader. Like I should have just collected, take my losses and just walk away. But then I started to make a spiral, you know, like no, I need to make it back and I need to blah 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 and blah blah blah. And I started justifying every single entry in my head, just thinking that that next move it was the one that it was gonna give me what I've lost and also made me profitable, you know. So I don't know, guys. I honestly think that we need to work more, at least myself, in having like keep yourself accountable. Understand that all the things that you want, they're gonna happen. You just need to be patient enough for them to develop. You know. I wish I was. I wish I could have the money for the Cybertruck 10 years ago, but man, I don't. I need to do it right now, you know. And the only way that I'm gonna be able to do that, and not just that, like the only way that I'm gonna be able to help my family, to retire my wife, the only way that I'm gonna be able to pay rent and do the things that I want to do with trading is if I don't put myself in my own way, you know? Like, we just need to be better at it. We just need to really be good at it. Oh, we will research it. I bet. How is it called? Diwali. Okay, so 1 second. I made this new layout. Diwali Festival. So is this like part of it? Like all these fireworks? New Delhi. Wow. Is that what it is? Am I even watching the right thing? That is called Diya. What's called Diya? The lights or the candles? Or I don't know.
En cualquier época del año, un visitante de la India puede sentirse abrumado por su belleza y color, pero un visitante a finales de otoño es especialmente.
The temperature will have cooled down, the monsoons will have not yet begun, and Diwali, the festival of lights, is at hand. Diwali is to many Indians what Christmas is to Christians.
Really? It's that big?
It commemorates the victory of the forces of light over the forces of darkness.
Oh, nice.
To experience it fully, get up before dawn and head for the flower markets. Here, flower vendors work feverishly to create garlands of fragrant jasmine that Indians will use to adorn their homes.
Nice.
By dawn, they'll be sold out. Next, head for one of the temples. But
I
go
did
early.
trade in the morning, made some
They'll be
$8, but it did miss many trades too. I couldn't see the charts at all with my family having fun. Well, that's good. Like having family time is really important, you know. It's way more important sometimes than just being looking at the charts and trying to make money. Family. That's why we want to make money so we can be more with the family. So that's that. It also has a religious history behind it. I mine so. But it's beautiful. I like it. There's so much to this world that we don't know. Like so many cool cultures, so many cool things around the world that we know barely. Like, and we're missing out. I'm glad that the internet exists. That's what I've heard. Like, I know that India is like massive, and I understand that religion, like, there's so many languages, religions, culture. Like, I know it's a really rich, like, country, you know? I had a really good friend. One of my really good friends is from Denali, I think it's called. No, I think so. I don't know. He's really cool guy. My brother from another mother. 108. That's it. That's it. You're over 100 now. Congratulations. Congratulations, Jet. Bengali. Punjabi? No. I think so. Something like that. I'm not sure. I don't want to offend any of it because there's. I remember, but I. Dude, like, I really don't know where he's from right now. Missing it. A really nice dude. I really enjoy learning from your culture. Man, the food is amazing. Amazing. Um, yeah, I think he's Punjabi. I'm not 100% sure. He just recently moved to Mexico too. But yeah, he's amazing. Like a lot of the things that he has, um, he was wearing one time. It's two different states. Person from West Bengali. It's called Bengali from Punjab. It's Punjabi. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, Indian food is amazing. Some of the costumes that you guys use, like he used to have this one. It looks so cool, so cool, so cool. Like I used to call him his Aladdin like costume because he was like the exact same thing, but it was black with golden stuff. Like it's so amazing, and the nice. I don't even remember. It was so long ago that we had this conversation. But the shoes that you guys wear, they're so comfortable too, and they're so like unique. I don't know. And again, we're talking about like different places, different a lot of stuff. I know it's not that easy like to say, well, all India is the same and all people in India is the same. No, of course not. Like there's a lot of people out there, you know. But yeah, the things that I remember about talking with him and learning with him is just fabulous, man. So is it every day in the same day? Like it's always on the 20th of October. The how you say it? Diwa? Diwali. Sorry. Diwali. So remember, I don't know if you guys remember that we were talking about this the other day. We were waiting for the reversal to happen, and we thought that it was never gonna happen. And then we didn't just have that one; we have a massive one. Well, today I'm waiting for the same thing. We were able to profit a little from this one, but we want to take the whole movement. So let's. Patience is key, guys. Something that we didn't have on Friday, and that's why we lost all the money. More than $100 lost on Friday. And just again, it's just because my head was not straight on, you know? It's not that we don't know how to make money, clearly we do. It's not that we cannot make the right decisions, clearly we do. It's just that sometimes we just, I don't know, it gets over our head of something. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Oh, wait, sorry. Sorry. We were talking about all of this and I was showing you the chart, but I was showing you the chart. Muy bien. The charts, no charts. Chart. Okay, I see now. Okay, so it varies in with your religious calendar when it is. Wow, that's so cool. I hope you're having a great time. I hope you're eating delicious, and I hope you're enjoying your family. And happy Diwali. I don't know if that's something that you guys say, but oh, you didn't sub Fridays live? Yeah, I went down a spiral of losing money. We lost almost all of it. We went from $130 to $40. 40. Just because we went down the spiral and then I wanted to like revenge trading and over trading and you know all those things that happen sometimes. Like I let the my feelings take the best out of me, and that's something that we cannot afford to do when we're trading. So right now with the wins that we made today, we are $51 again. So you like far away from me. You're way ahead from me right now. So yeah, that was Friday. Friday was a bitch. Like Friday did happen. All the bad things happened on Friday. All the bad like feelings just came over me. I was in such a pressure to achieve stuff, you know. Around 75. No, we're 51.35 right now. We started the day with 40, so progress is progress. And we're back to the drawing board, you know, like guys, we had something working, we were making money, we were clearly making progress, and all of a sudden I decided to try to change the strategy. I think right now it's not time for us to test the strategy until we have a real wiggle room, because it's a different thing. Like I really knew when we hit this step that we just needed to buy in and wait for it to go. I knew it here, I knew it here, I knew it here, I knew it here. But the thing is, we don't have the budget enough to be able to withdraw all of this. It's huge. It's a lot of money for us right now. So that's why timing it has been so like key for us. But on Friday we missed all the timing. I was not expecting. I remember you, Jasmine, said that it was gonna have a massive reversal. I think we're gonna have a bigger one later on. But the thing is, instead of changing my bias and trying to figure it out, I was just like, nope, we're gonna have the reversal today. I know, no stress, we're gonna make it back this week and we're gonna make more. But yes, the thing is, we need to stop over trading. We need to stop like revenge trading. And I'm practicing a lot like the FOMO. I think most of my problems is FOMO, because I see the move and then it's like, man, I want to take advantage of it, and then I enter late and blah, you know how it goes. It's not a good thing to have, but like Friday, I would just enter right now because I don't want to miss any pennies, you know. So no, I think sometimes we just need to be extremely patient with the moves that we take. And that's why the fifth rule is we'd rather miss a trade than to lose money, you know? I need the money. I cannot be gambling and wasting it just because. So patience is key, guys. I know we always say that, and I say it a lot because I'm trying to convince myself that that's the way that we should be doing things, you know? I do appreciate you guys taking the time to be here with me, and Jasmine, you should be enjoying your family. You're here with us. I really appreciate that. Like, I really, really appreciate that. You should be enjoying the family. But that's the thing, guys. It's not that we don't know how to do it. It's not that we're not in the right track or the right position. It's not that we are bad traders. It's like every single human. Sometimes our emotions take the best out of it, and we need to learn how to deal with it, you know? If you want to be the best trader in the world, you need to understand that. I think we should fix our stop loss and take profit. Yeah, well, that's the thing that I've been doing that made me profitable. It's that I always do the trailing stop loss. And I know it's not the way to do it, but man, like, I honestly think that having such a tight, like, margin, it just makes everything more complicated. And right now we're in let's make money because it's the thing that I've been telling you guys. I've been hunting this move since we started it down here. I know it's not been a long time, but I've been hunting it. The thing is, down here, instead of letting it roll like I should have, I just want to take my commission, you know? Oh, well, I really appreciate it then. Welcome to the stream, and I'm glad that it's now time to relax. That's another thing that we're different on. Like Mexicans, it's always celebration time. If we have one holiday, we're gonna make that holiday last like a week. So that's why it was it's different for me. Like holidays in Mexico are a wild thing. It means drinking, eating, partying, jumping, celebrating more than probably any human should. But that's us Mexicans. We just like the wild party again. The wildlife. You're leaving to have dinner. In Mexico, we say provecho. That means that I hope I hope your meal sets you well and do you good. So enjoy, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for showing up, and happy Diwali. I see you tomorrow. I see you tomorrow. No, thank you really for being here. Truly, truly appreciate you taking the time. Another day of trading with Archie. Day 31, guys, of trading $10 into Cybertruck. After the massive loss that we had on Friday, we're here back to Animo, guys. To Animo. Okay, guys, just give me 1 second and I'll be back in 1 minute. Sorry. Sorry about that, guys. We are back. We are back. Dude, I'm starving today. I don't know what's going on, but I'm literally starving. Like, really, really bad, guys. Really, really starving, guys. I don't know what's going on. Are we not gonna have a reversal, good sir? Are you just gonna go to the moon from there? What are you planning on doing, good old sir? It would be nice if it went all the way to the... and then come back. I wouldn't mind if it did that. What's up? What's up? Man, I'm starving, to be honest. I don't know why. I'm just thinking about food right now. That's the only thing that I can think about. I want to eat something. We're seeing massive rejection right there. Okay. Man, is he just gonna rip off and just let us here behind? I think so. I think he just left without us. I'm starving. I need some food right now, guys. Right now. I'm starving, guys. So, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I think this is just gonna keep going up. I don't know where the reversal it's gonna come. I know it's gonna come any minute now, but I need to be patient enough. We're not gonna make the mistakes that we made previously, so I cannot think on another thing that is not full right now. My stomach is just like not in a happy place. To be honest, I don't know. I think I'm gonna call it a day, guys, because I need to go eat something. If not, I'm gonna probably start chewing my own arm, guys. I'm gonna eat my own arm if I don't do anything about it right now. Yeah, I think it's just gonna keep climbing. Man, if it happens the same thing that happened last week, when I just got out and immediately like it went to where we wanted, 5 minutes later, it's just way too funny. Let's wait to see if this is the reversal that we're waiting for, then we can enter a new trade. But I think it's just gonna be the little retracement that we were having, just decelerating the growth. Oh, that's... So, not a bad day. We are gonna finish with plus $11, which is good for the day, to be completely honest. And tomorrow we're just gonna keep going at it, guys. Today we're just done. I really don't feel like we should keep pushing our luck today. I don't see a reason why should we be pushing like our luck right now. $10, it's good. So take the profits, move on. Live to trade another day. Live to trade happier another day. Okay, so guys, I really appreciate everything. I really appreciate you jumping in. I really appreciate you keeping me company. We see each other again tomorrow. Thank you for being here.